Good morning everybody, thank you for joining me. As some of you may have noticed, I'm at the Berryhead National Nature Reserve. I'm on the southern tip of Torbay in South Devon, which is on the south coast of England. I've had a bit more free time lately because of the lockdown. This is one of the places I've come for my daily exercise, and I've brought some handheld gear to take some photographs with mixed results. So I've been watching a few photographers on YouTube, as you do, to get a few tips. The likes of Thomas Heaton, Nigel Danson, Kim Grant, and some local photographers. We've got some great local photographers here, the likes of Neil Burnell. If you haven't seen his work, check him out. Most of these guys post a weekly video on YouTube. Now I know they must put an awful lot of work into doing that every week, but me being me, I thought, well, how hard can it be? So this is me finding out. So before you non-photographers switch off, bear with me. What I'm going to try and do is make a regular video around the Berryhead area, bring you some nice views, maybe a bit of information about the area. I might try a little bit harder than this, and of course take a few images. So my aim is to get out of the house a little bit more, improve my photography, learn a bit about filmmaking, which is harder than it looks, and with a bit of luck make something that you'll enjoy watching. So enough about me, let's show you some scenes from around Berryhead. Hopefully over the next few months I'll be able to show you more from each of these areas around Berryhead. But for now, let me show you some of the images that I've taken just before and after lockdown. Hope you enjoy them. I hope you enjoyed those images. If you like this video, then hit the subscribe button and leave some comments below. This is my first video, so I'm sure there's lots I can learn, and any tips you guys out there have got, I'll be grateful. Thank you very much. Hope to see you all again, but for now, cheerio.